In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for Harvard College admission in 2025. Whether you're a first year or a transfer applicant, this guide will provide you with all the necessary information you need to navigate the application process for one of the world's most prestigious universities. To begin your journey, visit the Harvard College website where you'll find a comprehensive explanation of the application requirements. The process is the same for domestic and international applicants, ensuring a uniform approach. Here, you'll find all the necessary sections covering applications, school reports, teacher recommendations, standardized test scores, and more. For your application, Harvard accepts both the common application and the coalition application by school year, and they are viewed equally in the eyes of the admissions committee. It's crucial that you meet the application deadlines, November 1st for restrictive early action and January 1st for regular decision. Remember, your application sections must be submitted before any supporting materials are released by your high school counselor. Once you have submitted your application, you will receive an email confirmation with a PIN for accessing the applicant portal. This is sent out starting from mid-September, and you should receive it the day after your online submission. Ensure to check your spam or junk folders if the confirmation email does not arrive promptly, and verify that you have completed all steps of the application process. Paying your application fee is straightforward, either online, using a credit card through the Common Application or Coalition Application websites, or by mailing a check or money order directly to Harvard College admissions. For those facing financial hardship, Harvard offers a fee waiver option, making sure that financial constraints do not impact your chance of applying. As part of the application, you will need to answer a set of 5 required short answer questions, each with a word limit of 150. These questions give the admissions committee deeper insight into your life experiences, opinions, and aspirations. Be thorough and showcase your unique qualities and the diversity you bring to the Harvard community. Your secondary school report, which includes your academic transcripts and letters of recommendation, must be submitted by your counselor. The mid-year school report, detailing your performance so far in your senior year, is also required. For those already graduated, ensure your final school report and transcripts are sent promptly, no later than July 1st. Though Harvard requires standardized test scores such as SAT or ACT, they understand exceptions can occur. If you cannot access these due to financial or logistical reasons, they accept other evidence of academic ability like AP or IB scores or national exams results. Should you have any unresolved questions or need to make updates, Harvard provides support to guide you through the process seamlessly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to submitting a comprehensive and competitive application. Good luck.